Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know that I've been away, I've been missing in action, but like it's just been a little bit for me. It's been overwhelming, just trying to make content, trying to create, just being a creator in general has been really hard, yeah, it's just been hard. That's just all I've been trying to say. But guys, I'm taking a bold step, just coming back on here and just creating regardless, because I've been like struggling with myself. I mean, I have lots of makeup tutorials on my page. Are people still going to watch and stuff like that? But I'm like, just create anyways. I'm sure people will watch. You have new people, you have old subscribers and all of these things. So I'm back, guys. Thank you guys for sticking around. To my subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you. And so today, like, I'm actually running I'm always running late, guys. Have you guys noticed that I'm always running late? But I'm going to church soon and I just need to like do my makeup real quick. But I want to like break it down for you guys and show you like some new products that I've been using and that have been working well for me so far. So first off, I'm going to be using this my Dang beauty water. Okay, I'm going to be using this. I'm just going to spray this all over my face. It's like a toner basically. It has centella, acetica extract and hyaluronic acid in it, so I'll just tap that in. Okay, so like a lot of things haven't actually changed in my routine, but I started using this let me see, hold on. I started using this Charlotte Tilbury I don't know, can you guys see that? Yeah, I started using this. As you can see from the bottle, it's almost done. Okay, like it's almost done. So this has been doing wonders. And the Dang beauty products generally, this is almost done. This is my second bottle of the vitamin C. This is my empty bottle and this is the full bottle. Thank God I got two of this. But you see, this is almost done. My niacinamide too is almost done. Like there's literally this much inside. Like I'm micing it because I can't order right now. But anyways, that's not why we're here. Let's get right into the video, guys. Okay, so I'm going to like be breaking down my steps. Okay, so first brows, then skin, then just like that. I'll just be breaking it down. So I'll be putting this video up in parts. Okay, I'll put the brows first, then I'll move to like skin prep and just like that progressively, if you get what I mean. So let's do brows. Okay, so let's do brows. Let me try to like zoom you guys in as well. So first things first, for your brows, always have a spoolie brush in hand. Okay, have a spoolie. Make sure you brush your hairs up. Okay, brush them up. If you have like hairs around here, try to like get that sorted basically. Okay, so also like what you use, the products that you use really matters. For me, I use this Davis pencil. I'm sure every Nigerian is like conversant with this pencil. It's amazing, it works wonders. I have backup for this, so I use that. And I also have this Kiko eyeliner in a pot. Okay, I have this as well, although I kind of have like an issue with it right now. It's like breaking. I don't know if you guys can see that it's breaking, but it still works. Okay, so you brushed your hair out, right? For those of you that might have like really like stubborn eyebrows that refuse to stay down, I would advise that you get a brow gel. Okay, I recommend the one from NYX. Very good. It will slick your brows down. That's for like drugstore. That's like affordable. Another important thing to note is that you need a sharpened pencil. You cannot draw your brows with your pencil looking dull like this. your pencil cannot be dull like this, okay? It's not acceptable. This is not acceptable. Oh my god, this is not acceptable, okay? This is a no, no, no. This is a no, okay? So you have to sharpen, okay? It needs to like be pointy. That is one thing that I have to tell you. So this is what you want your pencil to be looking like, sharp like that, okay? So you can, like, if you have multiple or if you have one, just sharpen it. And yeah, okay, so now that you have that done, what you need to do now is get like a small mirror, you know, so that just so you can see what you're doing. Okay, just get like a mirror, okay? So I'll just have this mirror. Oopsie, I have this mirror here like this, okay? And you can start from the tip of your brow, which is like ideally here, okay? And then you, okay, let me face you guys like this, and then you trace out, you trace out like this, okay? See, this is why you need your pencil to be sharpened, because if it's not sharpened, you won't be able to do this easily, because then you'll be rubbing and your lines will just look very big. So just do that, okay? I don't know if you guys can see that, right? So yeah, so let's do the other part. And just light, okay? I don't want you going and, you know, you're pressing your hand on your brows. Like, it's not going to come out nice if you're like very rough with it and all of that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for like outlining your brows, okay? And then once you're done with this, okay, once you're at this point, at this level, what you need to do is, now you still take your brow pencil. So I'm going to switch to this other one that I sharpened, and you're going to draw like hair strokes like this. You see what I'm doing? I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just drawing like hair strokes like that. Do the same thing over here. Also light-handed, be very light-handed. Don't go and be pressing your hand on your brows, or it would not look like hair. So this is it basically, okay? Can you guys see? It looks like hair. So that's what we are aiming for. That's what we're aiming for. Hold on, guys, I don't know why I did this. All right, so now that we have that done and settled, now we're going to conceal our brows. And what do we use to conceal? We use a flat brush. Let me just get mine. Hold on. All right, so you can use like an angled brush like this. You can use an angled brush like this, and then you get your concealer. And ideally your concealer should be like 2 shades lighter than you, because you're trying to like also like brighten your under eye. But if you're going for like a day-to-day thing, excuse me, if you're going for like a day-to-day look, you can just use your actual foundation to just conceal. But if you're going for like you know, glam, then you should use like a shade, like 2 shades lighter than you are. So I'm going to be using this V Beauty concealer. I'm going to be using this V Beauty concealer, and I'll just squeeze some on my brush like that. Okay, I'll just squeeze some on my brush like this. I'll just squeeze some on my brush and then conceal. So when you're concealing, you need to be very careful to not go over the lines that you have drawn, okay? So as you can see, like I'm barely even like touching on it. Like, so once you do that, blend downwards. Okay, just blend downwards. Okay, you see that? I'm sure you'll be wondering, why am I not taking it all the way to the front of my brows? There is a reason for that. Okay, so I will tell you the reason for that soon. I'll do the other eye. Okay, so now for the front of your brow, you're going to use like your foundation shade, okay, for the tip of your brows, which is what I'm doing here. Sorry. Same procedure, okay, just trace it out and blend down, and there you have it. Like, you've successfully concealed your brows. Okay, now I've also not done the top. Okay, I usually don't have to do the top of my brows, especially if you have done it carefully like this. Trust me, there won't be any need for you to do the top of your brows. Make sure you blend your concealer, blend it down into your eyelid. Okay, blend it down into your eyelid, and yeah, that's pretty much it for your brows. So for like the top of your brows, what you just do is, just once you're applying your foundation, just carefully use your brush or your beauty blender to just, and that's it for your brows. So as you guys can see, this is what mine are looking like. And when you make your videos, make sure you send it to me or something. Let me see and give you a score. Okay. See you in the next video.